Tiffany here. Welcome to another weight loss restart. Last week we ended up coming up a half a pound, so come along with me this week to see if we were able to lose that weight back down. Also, I brought you guys along for my Valentine celebration, and if you like videos like this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you after. Okay guys, here's dinner. I have some seasoned wings from Longhorn, and then I cooked a bag of frozen asparagus. The reason why the asparagus look like that is because I sprayed some of that I can't believe it's not butter spray on there for flavor. All right, that's gonna be dinner, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm at one of my favorites, which is Tim Hortons. I don't really have nowhere to sit, y'all. Let me see. I just got my Tim Hortons avocado toast as usual, and a triple. It's actually so hot today. What's crazy though is that some of the Tim Hortons now, they've stopped serving the avocado toast, which irritates my soul. So anyways, I'm sitting here eating this, and I said, you know what, let me check in with them because I haven't talked to y'all in a little bit. I kind of feel like my weight been at a standstill. Not even feel like, it has been. I feel like it's because he's starting to add weights, like really increase the weights at the gym. Plus I haven't even been doing like the homework either. So I'm gonna have to start back doing that. Oh, and it's Valentine's Day too, y'all. We going out this weekend, so I'm gonna get my nails done probably Friday, to tell y'all the truth. And I love Valentine's Day too, y'all, because that's the same day that my husband proposed to me. So it's always so cute and special when Valentine's Day come around. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating this little toast, and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love, love, love. I feel the 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 love. I feel
Back from the gym, and here's, that's right, here's dinner. I got Chipotle. I got the salad, but I didn't get their dressing, so I have lettuce, no rice, I have black beans, chicken. I usually love the fajitas on here, but they were out, so seem like they always be out when I go. But anyways, I got mild and medium salsa, guacamole, cheese, sour cream, and then obviously the lettuce is on the bottom. So that's dinner. I'm gonna go take a shower, then I'll come back, warm it up, and eat this. I'm tired, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, okay, so I'm at Tim Hortons again. It's Friday, thank God for that. But I have spinach egg white bites, and I also have, hopefully you guys could see that, and then I also have my avocado toast, and of course my triple. Here go a good look at the omelet bites. But what I wanted to talk about though is the fact that I go to the gym with the trainer 4 days a week. But honestly though, I really don't want to go today. It's not that I don't want to go, but I'm really feeling like I shouldn't go today because I have so much to do. Like I told y'all earlier in the week, We're supposed to celebrate Valentine's Day tomorrow. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to skip out on the gym today, but I'll let y'all know. And I'm thinking about doing like a get ready with me. I know it's not really all the way my thing on here, but I am thinking about doing like a get ready with me. Anyways, I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know what I decided to do. I just wanted to show y'all what I was eating and kind of vent for half a second. So, all right, I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, here's dinner. Just some more Longhorn wings tonight. I should make me a vegetable so I can get more fiber in and all that.
And like and subscribe.
And like and subscribe, y'all. This is gonna be my dinner. I might make some vegetables to go with it. I'm not sure yet. And then I ended up not going to the gym today, y'all, because I had to get my nails done. It's a lot going on. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Go share with her.
Of course. That's a big potato.
It is actually. It's huge. So, yeah.
Every city is a big rich town. This is a big rich town. You do not know me, but I know you very well. I can tell you that I can't we get your friends hanging out. I can tell you I'm excited to be in the city tonight. Myself and Timmy are coming. Make sure you enjoy yourselves. So we're gonna start the show off with something smooth. See if y'all remember this one here. I can't get over you. What the song say? Want you to know that I'm willing to.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the thousands in attendance and the millions that know her around the world, will you please stand to your feet and show your love for the incomparable Tamia!
Hey guys, so we just got back from celebrating Valentine's Day and I wanted to show you guys what I was wearing and what it was looking like. And so we went out, had a great time. I'm sure by now you guys have already seen the video clips from the concert that we seen. What's this? Let me see. Can y'all see me? So this is what I'm looking like. I wanted to do like a get ready with me type of thing, but okay, y'all can see me better now. And yes, my stockings is falling down, y'all. This gotta be for somebody that's super short, because all night these dang on stockings was falling down, honey. Okay, but of course I wanted to do like a get ready with me, but y'all already know your girl be running out of time. Okay, period. But the night was a vibe, the outfit was a vibe. I mainly wanted y'all to see like what the shape was looking like. I didn't do an official weigh-in today, but I did get on the scale and I was back to like the 222. So that's that. But the hair was a vibe. Okay, I would have showed y'all all of that, and yes, your girl did install this herself. Okay, period. But like honestly, y'all, I promise y'all that burgundy, I always say the burgundy is my color, but this blonde is giving, especially since it got these dark roots. But anyways, if y'all want to see me install a unit, let me know, because I've been doing this. Like, I've been doing this, period. And I had on these little booties that my husband bought, y'all, and they're so freaking cute. That was one of my Valentine's Day presents. So, but I got that on Valentine's Day though. But we normally celebrate Valentine's Day on whichever weekend is closest to it. And then we usually just hang out on actual Valentine's Day unless it's on the weekend. So, did y'all celebrate? Like, if so, drop down below what you did or what you got somebody, period. So, anyways, also too, I mean, if you've seen me before with burgundy, drop whether you like the blondes or the burgundy, because to me this blonde is giving, honey, but that burgundy be giving too. So, but anyways, it's kind of late, so I'll chit chat with you guys a little bit more tomorrow. Morning, guys. Okay, so this is the next day after our Valentine's Day celebration, and I'm really just getting myself together right now, but I wanted to discuss with y'all like how this past week kind of went, because I don't think we got a chance to talk that much. And then I also wanted to discuss like my, basically, you know, like my plans or whatever for this upcoming week. So I'm gonna say this past week, I wasn't as prepared as far as like having food ready to go. I didn't go grocery shopping. I ate out every single day this week again. And honestly, it's mainly because of the fact that I tried to do grocery shopping a couple days this week for whatever reason. Like, ever since I tried to do grocery shopping on Super Bowl Sunday, I tried in the morning time, right? Don't mind all this stuff, y'all. But for whatever reason, I tried in the morning time on Super Bowl Sunday, and it was like they didn't have nothing. You know, it was like they had stuff, you know, but it was like they didn't have any meat, like no poultry. I couldn't get ground turkey, couldn't get chicken. Basically, I could only get sides. So I'm like, what's that? Like, I'm not doing that. So that was that. So I was thinking that was only because of Super Bowl Sunday, but then I tried it for the next couple of days and it still was the same dang old thing. So I'm like, I'm already at about $140 with no meat. I don't think so. We just won't be getting groceries this week. Okay, whatever. So I've been buying out all week, which if y'all have been watching me, like, y'all know I really don't like doing it. But sometimes I have to, because it's like, okay, well, that's the only way that we're going to be eating, because I don't have no good groceries over here. So now we're in another Sunday. So my plan is today to try again online. If not, your girl might just have to stop being lazy and actually go inside of the store, because that's the thing. Like, I want it delivered. I've been spending so much time in the grocery store, then I get everything home, then I gotta put it away. No, just deliver it, I'm put it away, and then plan my meals, period. So that's where I am with that. This week I need to do better. Another thing that I'm gonna be doing this week is like some meal prepping. So as long as I get the groceries, I'm gonna do some meal prepping for this week. Even if I don't get the groceries, one thing for sure I'm gonna do is meal prep some overnight oats. So at least I have that to take for work this week. So if nothing else, I'll have overnight oats for breakfast. I'm gonna try my best to at least skip out on one of those, like either breakfast or lunch while I'm at work. I don't always have both, but some days I do. So some days I might go to Tim Hortons and avocado toast and a coffee, and then I might go at lunchtime and get like a chili or something like that. So I'm trying to eliminate one of those, brings one of those meals from home. So that's why I'm thinking for sure I could do the breakfast, and then I'll have the overnight oats already with me. So I'll have something to eat while I'm there. Once next week's video get ready to start, which will be today, then I'll show you guys me making overnight oats for the week. Okay, well, not for the, I say for the week, y'all, but I'm gonna be doing it only a couple days at a time, because after like day number 2, I don't be feeling them, because I like for the chia seeds to be a little more crunchy, if that makes any sense. Anyways, that's what I like. So that's all I have this week. Like I told you guys last night with the weight, you know, it was like 222.8 when I hopped on there yesterday. When I say I had just had a coffee only, but either way, like, I'm trying not to focus on that number. As long as we're still coming down, because I feel like even if for a couple of weeks I've been stagnant, you know, like, and I feel like, okay, the weights at the gym has been amped up, which is kind of stalling me a little bit. And when I go heavier weights, my body do that. So it's okay, as long as I'm not going up like huge numbers, you know, but basically maintaining, like, you know, my weight fluctuated, like, I think like a half a pound to 3/4 of a pound up or something like that. Now it's kind of like back to where it was a couple weeks ago. So I'm cool with that. Hopefully it starts to really come down. Yesterday though, I didn't do the best as far as the eating goes. So it wasn't the worst though, because I've basically been like eating what I want. I just been calorie conscious and all this stuff and counting macros. I was counting macros, y'all. I haven't been counting macros that good lately, so I got to get back to that. So that's another thing to add to the week of things to do, goals of mine. You know, y'all so close. Goals of mine, stuff like that, is get back to the tracking, girl. Get back to the macro counting and tracking, and because that might be part of my problem a little bit too, a little bit, but not, like I said, not bad. Because I do feel like our weight is gonna really start dropping in a minute, because I've been consistent. At this point now, I think I'm into week number 6 at the gym. I'm pretty sure it's week number 6 that we just completed at the gym. So even though I only went 3 days this week, but shit, that's still that's still better than nothing, okay? 100%. So, and that last workout was hard, like super hard. My arms are hurting, okay? Arms are so sore. Even my cousin last night, so, you know, it was my cousin Tish, the one I go to the gym with or whatever, that went out with us. Her and her husband went out with us last night. Hey, B, if you watching. But she was there last night. I had asked her at dinner, I said, hey, B, I said, is your arms sore? Because my arms are killing me. She said, B, it ain't a muscle on my body that ain't sore right now. Okay, like, so she's super sore too. I'm telling y'all, those pull-ups about took us out the game, okay? Anyways, okay, that's enough rambling, y'all. I love talking to y'all. That is for real all I have this week. Let me know how you guys are doing on your journey, where you're at, what you're struggling with, what you feel like you're excelling in, you're doing great in. And until next time, bye.